Welcome to Ask Arlington. I'm Jay Warren. Thanksgiving is around the corner, and we want to make sure your families stay safe this holiday season and reduce the spread of coronavirus. Let's get to our questions for Mayor Jeff Williams, Fire Chief Don Krausen, and Dr. Cynthia Simmons. What are you seeing in Arlington's COVID-19 numbers as we move into the holiday season?
So we're in the holiday season, and this message is about awareness and preparedness. And the first thing I want to do is share with the community an update on COVID-19 and what's happening in our community, in our hospitals, and just about everywhere. So here is a dashboard from Tarrant County Public Health, and it clearly shows that our cases are up. In fact, we're at the highest caseload we've seen since July, where we were at our peak. We are equivalent now, and all the data is showing that we're going to go higher. So we've got to do something about it now, and it's up to you, the community out there, to make a difference. This is the last 8 months, and you can see that in the summer, the caseload was significantly high, and the community was at risk at that time. But now we are near the end of the year, and you can see that our numbers are even higher. So we are a few months from getting the vaccines. And in the meantime, while we're waiting for the vaccines to get here, we've got to do something personally to protect ourselves, to protect our families, and to protect our community.
ICU bed capacity is now above 90% in Tarrant County. What are you seeing as a medical professional?
I've been in an emergency room for the last 20 years, and these times are unprecedented. We've seen so many people just so sick and requiring ventilators. And I don't want to have to tell another family member, tell another citizen that they have to be put on a ventilator, to ask them if they want to be on life support. I don't want to have to tell another family members that they have to be separated for the holidays. This week I saw a couple who'd been married for 56 years. It was their wedding anniversary, their 56th wedding anniversary. And I had to tell them both that they were both COVID positive, both in their 80s, and they both were sick. Our hospitals, our nurses, our emergency rooms are becoming overrun with this virus.
Why is it so important to avoid large gatherings this Thanksgiving?
Your personal choices, your choices of wearing a mask or not wearing a mask, your choice of distancing, your choice of having a large Thanksgiving party or not, those impact our community. Those impact the disease, the spread of the disease in our community. So I'm asking everybody, please protect our community, protect our citizens, protect our healthcare resources, and follow the guidelines that the CDC has given us to socially distance, to stay away, to use Zoom meetings. It's just temporary. We'll be out of this pandemic. The vaccines will come. The virus will go away. These are temporary measures to protect everybody in our community.
What other activities can families organize instead of in-person gatherings?
You know, these are really strange times, but one of the best things we can do is to keep spreading Arlington kindness, not the virus. And I want to thank everyone for continuing to wear a mask, social distancing, and washing your hands. And yes, that's even more important to think about this holiday season. Now, you can go ahead and host a virtual Thanksgiving meal with friends and family who don't live with you. You can also FaceTime or Skype with your grandparents, but catch your hometown Cowboys on TV and, of course, play games with people in your household. And, of course, the CDC recommends we all safely prepare traditional dishes and then deliver them to family and neighbors in a way that does not involve contact with others. And then I really like this suggestion. Participate in a gratitude activity, like writing down things that you are grateful for and then sharing them with your friends and family. And let's stay Arlington strong. And as your mayor, I'm very grateful for all of our residents and wish everyone a safe Thanksgiving in the American Dream City.
Be kind, be safe, and be healthy. Thank you to everyone at home for wearing a mask so we can reduce the spread of COVID-19 in our community.